All right, here we go. At a new trail, a new place, just down the road in Crestline on vacation.
AKJ.
Yes, let's go.
Ready? Let's do it.
Let's lock the door. You put these in one of my side pockets. Thanks.
Along with your sunscreen. Did you already put sunscreen on your face?
Not right now. I'm good though with the sun. Yay, new hike.
Oh, I forgot to start my hike.
Yeah, I'm recording mine using Alltrails. So it counts for that. A beautiful day, huh?
Yeah. Here's to our house.
Yep, it's a nice way to spend the week.
Yeah.
Out of nature,
Yeah.
nice long walks,
It's gonna be a healthy
healthy,
end to the year.
and beginning.
And beginning.
Yeah.
Healthy and beginning.
Kind of a good thing, right?
Great thing.
It's good for me, good for us.
Yeah.
End healthy, start healthy. The lake should be up and over here somewhere.
Look at all the mistletoe in the trees up there.
Yeah, nice.
Shimmy up there. Grab a little piece. Bring back and kiss you underneath, or you just stand under it and kiss.
True. Might be better just to stand under it instead of trying to climb up the tree. Maybe not now.
Okay. Right or left?
I don't know. Look at the trail over there. That way. Tons of mistletoe in these trees. I mean, it's everywhere. Oop, there it is. I see it. Way down there. What's that? That's a trail. To the right.
On this trip?
Yep.
Okay.
Right here. That trail.
Cool. Mule trail. Just go lots of different ways. Cool.
So my mom's being a helper tomorrow. Starting tomorrow. So my brother just said.
So she doesn't have anyone today too?
Nope.
Alright.
This is cool though. Wow.
Great.
This is what a real trail looks like.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. I like real trails that are like covered in leaves and not a road. Even though that road was secluded and isolated. I do like that. Nice. A lot of acorns on the ground.
I see plenty of footprints, so it's a traveled trail.
Yeah. It's only moderate. When they're hard is when they're not very used. Because most people can't handle it. But that's not us. Like even though we're not in great shape, we're still in good enough shape to do the hard ones.
Mm-hmm.
Just not like 10-mile hard ones.
Yeah.
And that's okay.
I mean,
Doesn't matter. I mean, I'm
10
50.
miles is not for your foot anymore. And we haven't done that many 10-mile hikes.
No. Not in 10 years since Yosemite.
Mm-hmm. We've done 5 and 6.
I do want to go back though. I want to do the Mist Trail again. I want to do Upper Yosemite Falls again in my 50s. Just because. Why not? Every decade. 10, 30, 40, 50s. Just keep going. Oh,
Okay.
okay, I'll look it up, I guess.
Looks pretty good that way.
Come on, Face ID, work already. So we go up this way. Oh yeah, we're supposed to be on the road still.
Oh, okay.
I can't do both.
Go back. Or just take this and do a different way. I think we should just.
No, it connects with the road right up here. Not too much further. And then we turn right. Ooh, these are slippery. This it right here.
There we go.
Yay.
All right.
This looks like it's it, yeah. All right, we're back on track. Just a slight detour. It was fun.
I like those roads down there.
Yeah, they're fine.
Those
Trails.
trails down there.
Lots of people's houses all hidden in the trees across the way. Tons of
Mistletoe.
mistletoe.
We're right underneath it.
All right. Mwah.
Sweet.
Good luck sweeping the trail.
Right?
Yeah, I think we're good. Interesting.
The animal probably that died.
Yeah. Wow. Just another stop. But on this one, there are a shitload of acorns. Back on the trail, back on the road. But it's gorgeous, as you can see. It's just beautiful everywhere. What's that?
I bet sometimes there's water coming down this.
Yeah, it looks like it. For sure.
Oh, there's a building up there. Hooray!
Like, I'm not surprised your closet is packed with stuff. Definitely. I find stuff that I've packed away too often, like in a bin under my bed. I'm like, oh yeah, that's where that is. Whenever I search through things. Easy peasy. Well, next week I can get a new dresser delivered.
Cool. Did
Yeah.
you choose one?
Yeah, probably just one at Jerome's because I can get a chair and a dresser there.
That's good.
And it's in Mission Valley. so they can deliver it like right up the hill.
Are you going to look at the blooper section to see if they have anything for you?
I already did, yeah.
Well, I know, but it always changes. So.
No, I don't want to. I want what I want, not whatever's left over.
I didn't say that, just saying to look and see if that's it. You're like, oh, that's the exact one I want.
Yeah, I always go there first.
75% off.
Uh-huh.
You never know.
Exactly.
But it's also if people return it,
Yep.
because it had a scratch on it.
I'm gonna be particular if I'm spending like $700
On a chair? Yeah.
on both. Like, I want them to be the right color, the right whatever.
That's a big reason we wanted to get that couch, but it wasn't even in the blooper section, but because someone here already bought it and not picked it up,
Yeah.
and the other person let us buy it for less. That was great. That was perfect.
So it was.
And I love it. You don't love it. I'm sorry about that. But now you're going to get scared that it's going to be good for you. Love it.
Yeah.
I'm a close to happy.
Here we are at 2.25 miles in. Just came down through the hills here. Loving it.
The road up here again.
All right, nice. Uphill, up, 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 up.
That we're supposed to take this.
They've been clearing this for sure. Yep, back to the road. Good job. I like how there's little side trails off the road. Keep going straight.
There's a lot of directions to go.
Go that way. And the road that we're on connects.
Oh, no, it's just a telephone pole. It's not cute.
But there's a lot of roads right that converge right here.
Yeah.
Fire roads.
Okay, look at all the roads. So when all the roads meet, we go left.
We'll just go back the same way on the map
Yeah.
as well. 2.31 is what it says right here. For me, just over 3 more miles to go. On Alltrails, you can like share it live too.
3 miles. It's 5 miles out and 5 miles back?
No,
Oh, I thought it was 5 miles total.
it is.
Oh, so it's not that much further till the end?
Till we turn around.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, this has been a lovely hike.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it.
We're gonna go do a little loop and then come back to this trail and head back.
Of course you do.
We've already been going over an hour.
Yeah, especially since our first mile took us
This is cool.
Well,
Well, this forest is nice.
here we are.
They've been clearing definitely like for fire prevention, I think. Because there's been lots of piles and raked areas. I mean, they don't just do that.
And all that is cleared. All that whole
Yeah.
area is cleared.
There's been a lot of brush cleared out
Yeah, right in the middle down there.
for sure.
So,
Yep. Good. Our tax dollars at work keeping California safe. Even though they don't need to, they should just let it burn, right? That's natural.
yes or no, not natural when people are starting it. Natural by a sprinkle flame.
Okay, right here we get to go clockwise or counterclockwise.
So let's just go straight and come back out the other way.
Let's see here. That way. Not yet, we keep going straight to the left. Then at the next junction there's a clockwise or counterclockwise choice for a short loop. And then back to here.
Bike track down here almost.
Or that was also probably water when it snows and rains. It's a collection area.
A well-worn track there.
Yep. Good practice spot. Motorcycle, dirt bikes.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, for
It's a
sure.
mini dirt bike track.
Yep. There's probably houses just over yonder.
There are.
So it's like a neighborhood track
Yeah.
for the local kids that made it.
Over down there.
Most likely.
Yeah, there's houses over there.
That makes sense, right?
Yeah. It's 100%. And also like people use it all the time.
Yeah. That's cool. That's the advantage when kids live outdoors. Yeah. I mean, there's not a lot of people like when I grew up. We had so much property. I had my own bike track for sure. I made it myself and my dad. jumps and stuff because you have so much property, you have all the space to use. It's awesome. And then this side, straight forest. What it used to look like. Here's a jump right here. Look at this one.
Oh, yeah.
Right there, boom. They're like gonna clear the road. That's their goal on that one. Clear the road.
I like this spot right here.
Why?
Because there's no power lines, no. That doesn't look civilized on this side at all. Because if I turn around, I can see a power pole behind us. But just like right here.
Yeah. The tree view
Uh-huh.
looks cool. The tops. And then over, we got forest and roads, and this is our junction. Oops, sorry.
Okay. I just like that.
This is the last part of the trail before we connect it to the way back. And it'll be nice on the way back. We see different things from a different perspective. I still just can't get over how many acorns there are everywhere. That's so unusual, right? We're not used to that in the San Diego area.
No.
There's like horse poop. We're used to that. On some trails. Let's slow down.
Sunshine coming through.
You look down here.
Oh yeah.
That's like picturesque right there, definitely.
I like the sunshine coming through these narrow
Yeah.
and the way the tree is just reaching that way because of wind.
Okay. Yeah.
You notice that?
Yeah.
They all reached that way.
Wow. Straight up.
Reach it. This one has hardly any branches on that side at all. Look at that.
What you doing?
Just looking at how, see on this side there's hardly any branches even at all on
Yeah,
either tree.
true.
They just don't grow on that side because of the wind probably. They
Could
really
be.
get there.
Sure.
Or because of the light. I don't know. But
Yeah.
I think it's interesting to read. It's all the trees around here.
Gotta be a good reason.
Yeah. The sun has got for a moment.
Yeah, me too. Yep. Thanks to all the hard workers who cleared it. Because it looks really nice. Like if you could say a forest looked nice, this one looks nice. Because like you can see all the trees they've cut down to thin it out. And on the ground,
It's well taken care of.
yeah, like it's maintained. That's weird.
That's the right word.
Like this is your forest fire service doing their job.
But this is maintained and well used, so it's
Yeah.
like a pretty popular trail.
Maybe it is popular, but just not right now.
This is not usually it's Monday,
It is a Monday here.
in the middle of a workday.
That's why we're here. So it's not busy.
We're getting to tomorrow.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
I don't have any desire to get up at like 6 a.m. and hike though.
No, it's too cold.
We don't have to wake up that early. Because it's kind
No,
of, yeah.
I'm getting up and doing coffee. Whatever we decide to eat.
No hikes before 7 a.m.
No. We won't start till like 9 or 10.
Oh, we can start at like 8. I just don't want to start at that early. I want to enjoy the last late week of days without being screaming child.
Yep,
And
that's why we're here too.
all the hubbub.
That'll help you appreciate this even more, huh?
Yeah,
Because it came off of a little craziness.
true. But yesterday was very chill. I
Good.
liked yesterday.
Hold on.
Want to go?
Yeah, if you want. Whatever.
Yeah, I want to. That was a big step for me.
Yeah, that's pretty steep right here. This is going to be the warmest part of the whole trail.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
That's why you go slow.
Look just keep going up.
We started way down there. Way down there. All these leaves. You didn't let nature win.
They did have to end up taking off their gloves.
It's okay.
No, it's good. They warmed up.
Yeah.
Now which way?
Let's see. Right.
Oh yeah, this is where, up where Cookie is. Maybe. No. Is that what I find? There it is! I was right!
Suki.
Cookie! There's where Cookie is. We don't know what that is, but that's Cookie.
Random ass sign.
I already called the right spot.
Nice.
That's dumb. Is after Cookie. I bet somebody was trying their cat or their dog or something.
Sure. Why not? This is this is like their favorite trail. I think people should be able to do that. Why not? It's not hurting anybody. They decompose faster in nature. Yeah.
Exactly.
And my feet are getting tired.
Yeah, I got it. Well, good, because we only have 1 mile left. Ready?
Yep.
You got this, babe. You got this. You got this, me. You got this.
Oh yeah. It's all good, yo.
Yeah, that's take at least 1 minute.
Oh well.
Okay, when we get back,